What's up, everybody? Brent Senna with Redfin here, coming to you today from Thornton, Colorado. We're at about 104th and Colorado Boulevard. Got some new construction out here, move-in ready. This is 3-bed, 4-bath, just under 2,400 square, or just over 2,400 square feet. Unfinished basement, and these are super nice too. So you got a little front porch here, and we'll head on in. And just like most new construction, the builder and their lender are offering amazing incentives on these, lower interest rates than what's out there for used. And this one has appliances and stuff. I'll get to the tour here. So kind of seeing a lot of this up front, these little office spaces right off to the left side here, pretty decent size. Or right off to the front, not just necessarily the left. Coat closet, half bath. And let's see, we'll always hit the basement first, get the kind of boring stuff out of the way. Unfinished, decent size, as I mentioned. So you got a sump, pit, and pump. Looks like radon mitigation. Got all your wiring, internet. It's plumbed for another bathroom. Got all your mechanicals, and this one at least has a tankless water heater. I've been seeing a lot of normal, like the gallon size water heaters in some of these new construction, which I'd rather have the tankless. It just runs nonstop hot water for as long as you want. So if you have a larger family, or you just like using hot water a lot. So again, on these new construction homes, very open concept. This one's got the huge tall ceilings. Everything just is going to blend into the living room to the kitchen. But you got a mantle, fireplace. And this one's kind of cool. It's got a 3 sliding door here, back patio covered. And then the yards on these are very small, smaller than most, but I mean, it is what it is. But there's no one behind you. You've got a trail back there. And then kitchen-wise, looks like all the appliances, dual ovens, no, microwave and oven. I should know that. I have the same one. And quartz countertops, the farm sink. You're kind of seeing a lot of all the same kind of features, which is kind of the trend now. I really like these color of these cabinets, kind of a chocolate, maybe, no, coffee. And then you've got the backsplash there, gas stove. And then back here you've got, I guess would be a pantry. It's kind of off to the side here. You got a little mud room here, garage here. Now it's 2-car, but it's got this little deep spot here, so a little bit extra. Oh, it looks like sprinklers over there too, so it probably has sprinklers. And then, yeah, we'll head upstairs. Again, 3 beds up here, 4 bath. And it's got really nice carpet. It should for $860K. Let's see. Let's go this bedroom first. So, kind of standard bedroom size here. And you got a closet, linen, second bedroom. And again, this is move-in ready to go. I've got a full bath here with dual sinks, quartz countertops. Oh, Florida tile ceiling. That's nice. You usually don't see that. And laundry, and it's coming with the washer and dryer, I imagine. I mean, it's in here, so you're not seeing a lot of that either. Usually appliances are left out. Here's your primary bed room. And you'll kind of see this too, like not the best fixture. They're just kind of putting in kind of plain fixtures or no fixtures because they imagine you're probably going to swap it out. So what's the point of that. So got a stand-in shower, again, tile instead of the plastic butt base there. That's really nice. Floor to ceiling. And then look at this tub. That thing's big. Nice soaking tub. Dual sinks. Toilet. And then check out this closet. This is almost as big as a room here. So you walk in, maybe some shoes. And then it hooks around. Bam. More space. So again, these are over off 104th and Colorado Boulevard. 3-bed, 4-bath, just over 2,400 square feet, 860,000. Builder and their lender doing amazing incentives. If you want a private tour of this home, just give me a buzz, shoot me an email, let me know. Thanks again.